So I would love to know what one of your favorite experiences has been being on the ranch for 3 weeks.
The amazing landscape around here is pretty unique, and it seems that every time I look out of the window in my room, I see something different just because the light is different.
Yes.
So that has been very enjoyable every single day. And sharing the experiences of learning together with a group of other individuals as well that are at different levels in their expertise has been really neat.
Wonderful. And how has your experience been intermingling college students with adult learning? Have you enjoyed the intermeshing of those two?
I think it certainly brings very different characteristics. I think it would be, in a sense, more boring if we were all the same. So to have that sharing of different perspectives, different thoughts, at different stages in our lives, I think we tend to approach challenges in very different ways, and it's always good to remember that or to learn from that.
Yes, indeed. And is there anything about Jan term specifically that makes you say, I'm so glad I came?
Several things that I have already mentioned, certainly the experiences in the classroom, as well as the complementary activities that are offered, I think that are very unique in terms of going to some places nearby, as well as having very well guided, informed visits to those places. So not just going to a place where I might have been before, but really experiencing that in a different way.
Right. And do you feel that Jan term and Ghost Ranch has offered enough experiences for you for the value of the time?
Certainly, because as I said, it has been pretty broad, so it's not just what one gains from the workshop or class itself, but as well those other complementary activities that really help painting a very comprehensive picture of where we are.
Great. Well, thank you so much.